with Christmas coming up, let's go ahead and unbox some of this year's Tesla's most exciting toys that they've released that I think are pretty cool. This first one up is the CyberCab Racer. Let's go ahead and unbox this so you guys can see how this is actually like and how it actually opens up. This one, you can see it's just a plain box and it says CyberCab Racer right there. Let's go ahead and open it up here and let's go ahead and take it out of its packaging. There's no special packaging with this. It is just the plain Tesla box as it usually is. And I really wanted this one for art collection. I think it's pretty cool. And let's go ahead and unbox it so you can see what it's actually like in here. This is the box, just very plain vanilla and black box like everything else. And where's my knife? Got my knife here, and let's go ahead and open it up. This is going to be the CyberCab Racer Windup Racer. Ooh, look at that. Super small. Ooh, it's got like a nice weight to it actually. And then you can turn it right there. And then how does this work? Can you just, or do you have to take off all the wheels and everything? Each piece you have to take off the stickies. Oh. Once you take off the sticky, then it actually goes forward. So you wind it up like this. Pretty cool. Yeah, let me show you exactly what that looked like. Here it is, very small for size comparison. This is my hand, and it literally is a toy, but it's really nice. It's got a lot of weight to it, very heavy, and it's got like a metallic feel to it, and you can see the wind-up mechanism is like that, and we can go ahead and let it go forward. Very cool to see, and it's really fun. I'm going to keep this on my desk somewhere, and we'll add it to the collection and everything. But let us know if you purchased one of these, and what are your thoughts on it are.